Okay, now we have another student, and she is also from, I think, Hindi medium student. Okay, so first introduce yourself.
If you want to know my introduction, I am Priyanshi Kumari. I read in class 9. I belong to Jitwania. I want to be a teacher. My hobbies are playing and drawing. I have English speaking skills.
Okay, do let me know about how many months you have completed here. First. Just think and speak. 6 months. So, do you remember the exactly month since when have you been learning here?
Batch started in November.
November.
But I say
I have been learning
I have been learning from 3rd October.
since October. Okay, you came in October, but your batch, started in November. Okay, are you from Hindi medium, school or English medium school?
I'm from Hindi Medium School.
You are from Hindi medium school, and means you are Hindi medium student. Okay, do let me know about. Do you remember all the verb forms?
Yeah, from
Okay, what is the second form of put?
the second form of food.
Put. Okay. What is the second form of? What is the meaning of beautify?
The meaning of beautify is
Sundar banana. Okay. Um, what about your English level? Have you improved your English? How much? How much? Little or a lot?
a lot.
Before joining this class, could you speak English?
No.
No. Before joining this class, not this, before joining any English class, could you read English book?
Yes, I
Little bit or a lot?
little bit.
A little bit. Okay. So now you are able to read all the words, almost all the words. Are you able? And I think. So do you use English in your school
Yes, yes.
with teachers or students?
Teachers and students.
What type? Who a student? Who reads here or who does not read here?
One girl doesn't
Read here,
Yeah.
but you
she's
talk,
my friend.
you talk to her in English.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and teachers as well. Who teacher? English teacher. Okay. So do let me know what do you want to become?
I want to be a teacher.
Teacher of what subject? I don't know. Okay. How many members are there in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
There are 6 members in your family. Okay. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
2 sisters and 1. Total number of you are 4.
Yeah.
3 sisters and 1 brother, and your father and mother. So total number of members 6. Okay. Yeah, do let me know about what does your mother do? She's a homemaker. She's a homemaker. And what does your father do? He works.
He works on
Petrol pump, not petrol. Petrol. Okay. Okay. Those who want to learn English, what do you want to say?
I want to say
Those who want to learn English.
those who want to learn English, he should come here.
You should not come here. You should what thing?
You should practice daily.
Okay.
You should read daily. You should revise daily. You should remember all the things.
Okay. Okay. Do you think those who are from Hindi medium students cannot speak English?
No, they can
Everyone, they can speak English. No matter. Do let me know. Medium matters. I mean, Hindi medium or English medium matters कि if you from that you are from Hindi medium so you cannot speak English and you are from English medium school so you can speak English. Do you think like that? Here school matters or not? Not. It means everyone can speak English. Okay. Here uneducated person also can speak English because it is a language and the language does not require any qualification, any school. Anyone can learn. Language can be learned by anyone. So what do you think? Everyone can speak English.
Yeah, everything.
Okay. So in your class, in school, how many students even read? Okay. First, do let me know total number of students in your class.
In my class, 100.
Only in your class,
Yeah.
100.
Yeah.
So do let me know how many students even read.
Here.
Not read means read English book.
I think 20.
20. And the rest of them don't read. Okay, so all the 100 students come daily.
Not 100.
How many come?
I think 70 students.
70.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So when you speak English in school, so does anybody say to you?
No.
No one. Okay. Okay. Just describe this moment. Who is doing what first?
If I describe this moment, Sapna is asking question from one boy. He is replying her question. Pooja is asking question.
Okay. Do you know why all we are standing here?
Yeah, I know.
Why?
Because we are practicing.
We have to practice and we are practicing. Okay, that's why we all are standing here. Okay, so in your point of view, social media should be banned or not? Should be banned means should be stop social media in your point of view?
No.
No. Okay, just prepare for why, because today I will not ask. After that, I will ask why social media should not be banned in your opinion, in your point of view. I will ask from next Sunday. Okay, so next my point is that you come from Hindi medium students. Have you ever read in English medium school?
No.
Never.
Yeah, never I read.
Okay. So, word Parmediji, do you remember?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of mission?
Music. The meaning of music is hate.
To head. Okay. What is the meaning of film?
The meaning of film is
Okay, what is the meaning of philanthropist?
philanthropist. The meaning of philanthropist is the one who loves mankind.
Mankind, good. One who hates mankind? Misanthropist. Misanthropist. Okay. Next. Mono. What is the meaning of mono?
The meaning of mono is one.
So monogamist.
The person who has
Does
who does
one marriage. So bigamist.
The person who does two marriages.
And monogynist.
The person who has only one wife.
Okay. Polygynist.
The person who has many wives.
Many wives. Okay. So do let me know. The woman who has many husbands. It's called.
It's called many husbands. Polly and this
Yes, Polly.
and this.
Okay. So, what nowadays? What are you reading? English book or newspaper?
Nowadays I'm reading newspaper.
Newspaper. Do you read daily?
Yes,
How many hours?
I think 52.
50 minutes.
Yeah,
So, at what time do you read?
at 7 to 8.
In the evening.
Yeah,
So, study. You read or not?
yes, I do.
Okay. Do let me know 5 words.
Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh,
Mm-hmm.
Chief Minister,
Okay. So I think your English is good, and just improve, daily improve. Okay. Try to improve your English. Try to know new words, new sentence structure, new just by listening. So a lot of things have you listened? I think by listening. Hmm? Okay. From what I make you listen from other students, from me, from other places. Do you try to read out whatever is written on the board flags, whatever you use? You read out?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.